Curry Pecan Streusel Blackstrap Muffin tops are best baked in a shallow 4-inch muffin top pan. This creates a large surface area for a rustic, sweet, exotic spiced baked sugar crust with a moist and tender molasses cake inside. The best pecan flavor comes from fresh ingredients, so to make a small batch of a sweet pecan milk, soak 65 grams or a half cup of pecans overnight. Then blend the pecans with 375 grams fresh water and 50 grams raisins, then strain through a nut milk bag. To make 6 Curry Pecan Streusel Blackstrap Muffin tops, prepare your pan with butter and a dusting of flour, and start by making a Curry Pecan Streusel topping. Make sure your ingredients are cold and rub 30 grams of chopped pecans, 2 grams of a sweet curry blend, 30 grams sugar, 30 grams flour, and 30 grams cold butter between your fingertips until an even crumb is formed. Then for the batter, scale the dry and wet ingredients separately. For the dry, mix 85 grams flour, 80 grams sugar, 2 grams baking powder, and a gram of salt, leaving a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then mix 15 grams blackstrap molasses, 25 grams pecan oil, 60 grams pecan milk, 2 eggs, and pour into the well. Next, mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients until just combined. About 20 strokes. Do not overmix, and a few lumps are okay. Then refrigerate the batter and streusel topping separately for up to 2 days, or portion into the prepared pan in layers, with the streusel topping divided between the middle and top. Then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the Curry Pecan Streusel Blackstrap Muffin tops the same day they are baked with a cup of chai tea.